estate cannot be lost nor stolen, neither can it be carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid in full, and managed with reasonable care. It is about the most safest investment in the world. So why real estate investment? It is important that we have an overview of the economic landscape in Nigeria regarding real estate. And I would like you to understand the real estate market. It's important we understand the real estate market in Nigeria because with rapid urbanization of cities like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and many other states in Nigeria, you will see that this is driving demand for both residential and commercial needs in Nigeria. And also, in Nigeria, you know that the population growth is one of the highest. Yes, we have one of the highest population in the world. Let me explain what this does to any real estate investor. Looking at our population and the current urbanization, with the demand for real estate in the market, investing in real estate today is sure going to do you a lot of good because there will be more demand for people that want to rent, people that need office spaces. Either you are going into commercial real estate, residential real estate, there will always be demand for shelter. Either the middle class, the high class, or the lower class. Everyone wants a roof over their head. And you might be like, oh, you're not investing in buildings, you're buying land. Building won't stay on the air. It will be rightly built on the land. This is for everyone out there to understand the real estate market in Nigeria. If you are still feeling that real estate investment is the wrong move, you are totally wrong because that is where the real wealth is. Real estate is a major investment platform in Nigeria right now because there is increase in demand for shelter, increase in demand for both residential and commercial real estate. So why not position yourself as a real estate investor? Also, you should note that rising middle class income is also fueling the demand for better housing in Nigeria today. Unlike before, imagine a person that is earning about 150,000 naira every month and is now earning about 300 to 500,000 naira per month. The person will need a better housing. Look at our tech guys today. They need better housing. Many of them stay in apartments. Do you know how much you'll be earning when you have an apartment where you are running shortlet every day? Especially in a very good location. Yes, a prime location. These are opportunities in real estate that you shouldn't let go of. This is a smart move. Also, we have both local and foreign investors that are investing in the real estate industry. This increases the demand for luxury properties, luxury homes, luxury malls. So what are you waiting for? Are you still thinking that real estate is not profitable? I used to say it, that where there's population, there is money. And Nigeria, the advantage we have is that we have a lot of population, either the high class, the middle class, or the lower class. There is population in Nigeria, which you as a real estate investor can take advantage of because everyone needs a roof over their head. Either you choose to buy land, keep it, that's for land banking, and you sell it years after, or you decide to get landed property, build on it, and resell. Or you buy building, you can run rentals, you can run shortlet apartments, Airbnb. These are opportunities that you shouldn't let go of in the real estate industry. This is a good move, yes, a smart move for all investors right there. If you are still among those that don't believe in real estate, you are missing a lot. Yes, this is a gold mine for you. Have you ever considered the fact that Nigeria is facing a substantial housing deficit in millions? This is an opportunity for every real estate developer to make available affordable housing. These are opportunities that are waiting for you in the real estate industry. Even the government and private sectors are coming together to provide affordable housing for people. This is to bridge the gap between the middle and the low class. So there is opportunity, yes, endless opportunity in the real estate industry. So if you're still thinking why you should invest in real estate, then it's time for you to take action. You should act now. And our number is on the screen so we can help you in your journey. Yes, in your real estate journey, so you don't make mistakes. That's why you need realtors in your life. Exactly. So when we are coming to commercial real estate, there is more demand for office spaces these days because a lot of people are expanding their business. Gone are the days where everyone wants to work for the government, everyone is looking for a white-collar job. Today in Nigeria, you see that many people are into businesses. either a small scale business, middle scale, or large scale. Many people are going into their own business and they need an office space for this. Either they are into day-to-day activity or not. Everyone wants location for their business. So this is an opportunity for you as a real estate investor. You can decide to invest in commercial real estate. Invest in landed property that you can use for commercial real estate because there is high demand for office spaces. Also for shopping malls, you can own a shopping mall where you can rent out office spaces to people. Today now we have a lot of people that are looking for shop spaces for their goods, for their products. This is an avenue where you can make good return on your investment. Real estate is not just about buying land and selling. There are different ways you can diversify your real estate portfolio. There's no one way to it. So this is a wake-up call to everyone out there. Either you've been investing but you feel you've done enough. It's never enough. Invest more. Money is not enough for those that have money. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, invest more. And if you have not started, this is a wake-up call that you are leaving money on the table. Yes, you are leaving money on the table. Invest in real estate and you are going to get good return on investment. Like I said when I started this video, if you purchase right, you do your due diligence, and you talk to realtors like us in Salesville properties, you can never get it wrong. So wake up today and take action right away. There are endless opportunities in real estate. The good thing is that real estate investment has been made easy. Yes, when I mean easy, a lot of real estate developers, they have made acquiring real estate easy for people, most especially people that are not making huge amount of money at a go. You can still invest in real estate by making instrumental payments, where you can spread your payment for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months. Some go as far as giving you the opportunity to spread your payment for 24 months. That's 2 years. Either you want to purchase land or you want to purchase building. We also have mortgage plan where you can spread payment for 5 years, even up to 20 years or 25, depending on your age. So not investing in real estate, there is no excuse for it. You can take advantage of instrumental payments. We have landed properties that you can invest in with start-up payments of 500,000 naira. And there are even other real estate investment platforms where you don't have to even buy properties. You just buy, you resell in 12 months. You don't have to own it forever. And this gives you the opportunity to invest as low as 500,000 naira and still get a good return on investment. Real estate is still the best way to leave inheritance for your children. What other inheritance will you leave behind that will remain solid, that will remain tangible, and will stand the test of time even after you are gone? So real estate investment is still crucial. It's still the most reliable form of investment in Nigeria today. We know that there are lots of challenges in the real estate industry, but I'm trying to assure our investors that all you have to do is to ensure you purchase rightly. Talk to the right realtor. Get the right product. Do your due diligence. And the sky is not your limit. Yes, because you will never get it right. We at Salesville Properties has is to help you unlock your real estate dream. What is that dream that you have and you think is unachievable? Why not talk to us? Let's put you through. Let's guide you on starting your real estate investment journey. This is a wake-up call. We have lots of properties at different locations. We have in Epe, Ibeju-Lekki, Sangotedo, Aja, Ikoyi, Lekki, Magodo, in Lagos that you can invest in, even in Abeokuta, Ibadan, that you can take advantage of. You might feel like, oh, Lagos is too crowded, it's congested, you don't want to stay in Lagos. There are other options for you. You can invest in Abeokuta, you can invest in Ibadan. We have Victoria Metropolis at Abeokuta that you can take advantage of. This is a premium estate where we are going to have the first tech and polo city in Ogun State. It is at Kobakpe in Abeokuta Shagamu Expressway. It's facing that express there. And there you are going to have 247 power supply because we'll be having our solar plant there in the Victoria Metropolis. And also we are going to have Apollo Club, the tech hub, we are going to have film village, we are having cinema, we are having hospitals, schools, religious centers, everything that you basically need, yes, everything that you need to make your life as easy as possible is going to be there at Victoria Metropolis. The flyer is going to be displayed on the screen, so I want you to take a good view of the prices there, because right now we are running a 20% promo on the current price. The current price is 20 million naira for 500 square meter, but you can get it for 16 million naira for 500 square meter. This is a premium estate, I'll tell you. You also have landed property available at MKH City at Olunde scheme. Yes, that is just 5 minutes to the Ibadan Expressway, very close to Challenge bus stop. This is in a vibrant community. These are beautiful estates that you can invest, and you are sure to get good return on investment over a short period of time. And if you are coming down to Lagos, we have different properties ranging in different sizes that you can invest in. Is it in Epe? We have properties there. We have Veronica District 2 still running a 20% promo. This promo are valid till 31st of this month. That's July 2024. We have 500 square meter. The current price is going for 7 million naira. Right now you can get it for 5.6 million naira. And while the 500 square meter, which is selling for 10 million naira, you can get it for 8 million naira now. It's facing the K2 Itokin Road. This is at K2 Epe. Just 2 minutes to Lagos Food and Logistic Hub, 2 minutes to the K2 roundabout, and also about 8 minutes to Lagos State Film City. That's 100 hectares. It's a massive project that is going to boost your return on investment over a short period of time. So what are you waiting for? Is it Giovanna Estate that's adjacent Alaro City and just about 7 minutes to the Lekki International Airport, or Tiwa Garden Phase 2 located at Ibeju Lekki? This is directly facing the Lekki Epe Expressway. This has a governor's allocated COO. Yes, this is a good property for you. Tiwa Garden Phase 2 is still selling at a pre-launch price, and this pre-launch price is valid to 31st of this month. So you just have few days to the end of this pre-launch price. As a smart investor, with everything I have said, you know the right thing to do is to jump on this offer right away. These are good property, these are genuine property that you can invest in, and you are guaranteed a good return on investment over a short period of time. Tiwa Garden Phase 2 is surrounded by major development. 2 minutes to the Lekki International Airport. It's just about 5 minutes to the Lekki Junction. Also, it's very close to Pan Atlantic University, the Dangote Refinery, the Lekki Deep Sea Port, and a lot more that will boost your investment in this area. And I will let you know that all these infrastructure development that you're seeing right now, a lot are still coming towards Ibeju Lekki, because Ibeju Lekki is the new Lagos. And Tiwa Garden Phase 2, we just launched it in less than 3 months, and massive work is going on there. Our gatehouse, the perimeter fencing, the road network, the drainage system, and a lot. So you are assured that your investment is safe, your investment is secure. This is the right time for you to invest in real estate. With the numerous properties that we have, you can pick one of them and start your real estate journey. Our number is on the screen. Contact us right now. Yes, right now. Don't dilly-dally, don't procrastinate, don't say you will get back later. No, dial that number right away, and let's get you started on owning your own real estate portfolio. Don't be bothered, we are going to guide you on every step of the way. My name remains Angela Ayomide from Salesville Properties, and if you are coming across our channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Properties. The reason why is that we are always there, and you will get to see us more there. And when you turn on your bell notification, when we drop good videos like this, you will be the first to get notified, so you don't miss out on these impressive opportunities that we'll be bringing to all our subscribers every day. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget, give us a call right away. We'll be expecting your call as usual. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.